to today's 10-minute meditation. Today's is about rocking yourself. Rocking yourself is actually a very good way of calming yourself. And in certain meditations, you might notice that your body is rocking either front and back, side to side, and even a slight little twirl. Now, I'm moving enough to show you what it feels like, but when you're actually in the meditation, it might feel like that, but you're barely physically moving. And it's just a wonderful way to bring calm to yourself. It's like rocking a baby. So, we're going to rock ourselves today so that we can rock the day. We're going to begin with the prayer of protection and the Lord's Prayer. And we're going to go into pretty quickly into a quiet little restful rocking state. When we're done, I will ring the chime so you know that I'm going to begin speaking, and we will close with the 23rd Psalm. So let's get started. Take a deep breath, close your eyes, and begin to relax. Take another deep breath and scan your body and notice if there's any tightness anywhere, any discomfort, and simply bring your attention to that spot and invite it to let go and relax. Notice how quickly your body listens to your mind. Your body follows your mind. So your mind is the builder. It is very powerful. This is why we like to start part of our day with a way of quieting and calming our mind. Let us begin. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thou is the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. Let us bring our attention to the top of our head and to our third eye, which is on our forehead between our eyebrows. And just notice the beautiful energy that's flowing into our body there. And just notice how it flows all the way down and right out our feet. Some of it's settling in our second chakra just below our belly button and coming back up again. So it's a fountain. Some of it circulating, some of it flowing straight through. It's a beautiful movement of energy. Today we're going to move our attention to our solar plexus. That is just about 3 inches above our belly button. And this is where we're going to sit today. This is a place where there's a lot of joy and happiness. This is a place where fond family memories are. And just notice how you can slightly move forward and back, allowing the energy to just rock gently, slowly. Moving in a way that ripples the energy upward in a rocking motion and downward in a rocking motion. Like you're on a ship, the whole body is now gently moving back and forth, calmly. A very gentle ship, very gentle ride. very quiet, and you just feel the relaxation of being able to rock, and just enjoy that and let it nurture you. As we start to allow our energy to slow down and recenter itself with that beautiful column of energy, settling in and being conscious of where we are, we close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me besides the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. That's funny. I actually messed up the words and said rock. Let's go rock today. Once you get that kind of rhythm and calmness, you can weather almost any storm. Thanks for joining me. I hope you all join me tomorrow night on Empowerment Through Intuition. We have some amazing guests. These women have been through hell and back in their personal lives, and they are willing to share with us how this affects the spirit of a person. And Chris and I will explain how this often opens very dangerous doors to the paranormal. So we look forward to it. Share this meditation. If we get people on Facebook meditating, we can change the world. Have a blessed day. Bye now.